Hi everyone, I'm Josh from Salsita. Today I'm walking you through AWR's 3D Railing Configurator. In this session, you'll see how to sketch a deck with stairs, switch between floor plan and live 3D, pick materials and the fixing systems, and let the configurator calculate every required part automatically. It's all built so that anyone can put together a railing system layout without needing any design background, which makes the whole process a lot less intimidating. Let's dive right in. In the first step, we'll draw the deck. I'm starting by creating a deck using flat surfaces and stairs. Each segment can be placed at different angles, and you'll see the angle and dimension indicators as I draw. This comes in handy because real decks aren't always perfectly straight, so you can adapt it to whatever the actual site looks like. You can view all the angles we support here, and sketching includes several modes to speed up work. Let me finish this side so that we have a single-level deck with stairs. That's sketching mode. Now I'll switch to selection mode. In selection mode, we can pick any piece of the deck we've drawn and tweak it to match the real design. I'll select the stairs. Here, we can choose whether the balustrade is on the left, right, or on both sides. We can change the number of steps and adjust the step dimensions as needed. It makes quick adjustments really simple, which is great when you're still figuring out the best layout. For flat surfaces, we can toggle whether the balustrade is present or not. We also have multiple views. By default, we start in floor plan, but we can switch to 3D at any time to visualize how the deck will look. Seeing it in 3D helps a lot because it gives you a clear picture of what you're actually building. When we move to the next step, we can start selecting materials, fixing systems, and related options. I'll switch to a metal post style. Let's choose round stainless and change the post color. I'll also change the fixing systems. Fixing systems are the components that hold the cables or wires. We provide different models and different materials, and you can change the number of wires. You can also choose different handrails, for example, round stainless versus square stainless. You'll see that these options differ, and the 3D updates accordingly. The nice part is that you can try out different looks without guessing how they'll turn out in real life. The last step is the summary. Here you can see all the parts the configurator calculated from the geometry: posts, fixings, wires, handrails, and more. It saves a ton of time because you don't need to measure or calculate anything yourself. When we finalize right now, we send an email with your configuration to complete the inquiry. In the long run, this will be integrated with Shopify for direct checkout. Oh yeah, one more thing. This works perfectly on mobile. If I switch to an iPhone, everything is responsive and touch-friendly. So whether you're out on site or talking to a client, you can build a full design right from your phone. So that's the overview for now. You've seen how easy it is to sketch a layout, switch to 3D, and get a full list of parts without any manual work. In the next videos, I'll go deeper into individual features to show how they solve real challenges. That's it for the AWR 3D Railing Configurator. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out the rest of the AWR videos.